नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम बात करेंगे अंग्रेजों की एक ऐसी चालाक नीति के बारे में जिसे कहा जाता है डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लैप्स। इस नीति को भारत में लागू किया गया था और किया था किसने? लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने। उस समय भारत में कई छोटी छोटी रियासतें थीं जिन पर अलग अलग राजा राज करते थे। अंग्रेज चाहते थे कि ये रियासतें धीरे धीरे उनके कब्जे में आ जाएं, लेकिन सीधे युद्ध करना आसान नहीं था। इसलिए डलहौजी ने एक चाल चली, Doctrine of Lapse. The doctrine of lapse was a policy introduced by Lord Dalhousie in India between 1848 and 1856. According to the policy, if a ruler of a princely states died without a natural son, his kingdom would automatically come under British rule. In Indian territory, a king without a son could adopt a child and make him the next ruler. However, Lord Dalhousie refused to recognize adopted sons as legal heirs. Because of these rules, the British annexed several Indian states. Some important states taken by the British under the policy were Satara, Nagpur, Sambalpur, and Jhansi. A famous example is Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. After her husband died, she adopted a son and wanted him to rule Jhansi. But the British did not accept the adopted heir and tried to make controls of the state. It caused great anger among Indian ruler and people. The doctrine of lapse became one of the major cases of the Indian Revolution of 1857 when India rose against British rule. In short, the doctrine of lapse was a British policy used to expand their empire in Indian while annexing states where the rule had no natural son.